Remote Source Lighting International, bringing you the best and the brightest in the remote source lighting industry. A technological revolution has come to the world of commercial and residential lighting that rivals the initial discovery of fiber optics. In 1997, Remote Source Lighting International took fiber optic lighting prime time during the most watched sporting event in the world, the Super Bowl. Remote Source Lighting's technology was visibly displayed and used to introduce 1997's top 2 NFL teams. When one of the most technologically sophisticated companies in the world, Microsoft, partnered with NBC to debut MSNBC, Remote Source Lighting International, in conjunction with Lightly Expressed, illuminated the set using its state-of-the-art lighting technology. From fiber optic lit handrails and trim to dramatic backlighting, the genius of RSLI is witnessed by millions daily. Because of our brilliance, we have now moved RSLI from a decorative niche into primetime broad applications. Japan has embraced the RSLI fiber optic revolution. Remote Source Lighting's technology is introduced to the international press in partnership with Yamagiwa, Japan's largest independent lighting company. Creative lighting solutions, design distinction, and unlimited applications is the trademark of Remote Source Lighting International. Not since Thomas Edison's discovery of the incandescent light bulb some 118 years ago has a technology so captured the imagination of an entire industry and expanded the realm of possibilities for generations to come. Thomas Edison would be amazed at RSLI's latest lighting discoveries and how its light pump technology has already begun a revolution in the world of lighting. In fact, some experts predict that the light bulb could actually become a thing of the past. The time has arrived in which commercial and residential lighting customers will have a single source in their basements that feeds fiber optics throughout the home or office, much like central heating. This advanced concept has now become a reality through the brilliant discoveries of RSLI. Established in 1995, RSLI designs, manufactures, and markets some of the most unique and innovative remote source lighting components and systems in the world. Through in-depth research and development, RSLI's patented scientific processes have taken the lid off of conventional fiber optics applications by eliminating the age-old problems of diffusion associated with bundled fibers. Before Remote Source Lighting's discovery, when a light source was applied to a fiber optic bundle, much of the light would not be uniformly channeled through the fibers, and the end result would be spotty and uneven illumination. With the development of RSLI's patented splitter technology and its patented shutter system, RSLI is now poised to not only revolutionize lighting as we know it, but is also entering the prime time of lighting discovery and creative excellence. Remote Source Lighting's unprecedented design capabilities are further enhanced by the highly advanced optical imaging and design software product called ProLight and ProEngineer. In contrast to other optical imaging and design software programs which model up to 10,000 rays of light, ProLight software can model over 1 billion rays of light. By using ProLight and ProEngineer, RSLI has developed products from concept to production in 1/5 of the time required by traditional design methods. RSLI has acquired the exclusive license to use ProLight for remote source lighting applications. As a world-class company, Remote Source Lighting International has demonstrated its ability to capture global markets and meet technological demands through unique approaches to customer care and by attracting some of the best and the brightest talent in the world. RSLI's retail applications continue to expand the realm of possibility. Amazingly, one RSLI illuminator can replace 40 light bulbs. Theater Crafts International magazine recently recognized Remote Source Lighting International as TCI's Lighting Products of the Year for 1997. RSLI, embraced by the industries of entertainment and theater design. With unprecedented creative discovery, Remote Source Lighting International is poised to transform the world of lighting with the RSLI difference. Technology, innovation, and vision. And now, Remote Source Lighting International introduces its most revolutionary product, the Perpetual Light Pump. When in production, it will use less than 1,500 watts of energy, but will replace 68 100-watt light bulbs. Amazingly, the Perpetual Light Pump bulb never needs replacing. The future is now in the world of commercial and residential lighting, and RSLI, the best and the brightest in the lighting industry, welcomes you to a whole new world of fiber optic excellence. Remote Source Lighting International, making history and lighting the world.
Hello, my name is Isaac Horton, and I'm Chairman and CEO and founder of Remote Source Lighting International. What you've just seen is new technology that we've applied over the last 4 years to many, many different applications. As you can see now, the light goes into a fixture, and the fixture no longer has a bulb. So the light, or what generates the light, is remote from the light source. And this gives you all kind of flexibility. You can put the fixture now in very, very tight locations. You can put the fixture up high and you never have to worry about changing the bulb anymore. You can manipulate color, intensity. There's so many things that you can do with lighting now that you couldn't do in the past. In addition, we save energy. We save maintenance because we can run this fiber to many, many different locations, and all you have to do is service the light pump. A light pump is like a water pump or a heat pump, only it pumps light. There's safety. For example, now, instead of worrying about that light burning you, there is no heat associated with it. So we've placed this in everything from daycares to places where people normally will be afraid of getting electrocuted or burned by the light. In addition, in water applications, you can take that and stick it right in the water. And as you can see, my hand is even in the water. And there's no electrocution associated with it. Fiber optic lighting offers all kinds of benefits. And lighting is a huge industry, a $48 billion industry. So the opportunity is enormous. Now, what we've been able to accomplish in the last couple of years is, besides all the applications that you've seen, we've also been able to protect the intellectual property. And that's one of the things that RSLI has going for it. We have over 27 patents granted now that virtually eliminates anyone else from doing fiber optic lighting with the intensity and with the ability to save energy that we can. We control what we consider the optical zone for fiber optic lighting. If you look at this simple bar chart, what you can see is that an incandescent bulb only produces 15 lumens per watt. But the theoretical maximum is 300 lumens per watt. And that is where Remote Source Lighting International is headed. Because we don't have to make light inside of a little bulb, we can use all kinds of technologies to produce light in the light pump. And now we're ready to move to our next generation product. This product uses 1,500 watts of energy, but replaces 68 100-watt light bulbs. That's 8 times more efficient than traditional lighting, which means that the cost savings are going to be enormous. In fact, what we do is we take our special optical lenses, and those lenses, when we place them in a spherical array, literally can cover any light source and take off almost 100% of that light. The results, well, they're remarkable. Here's an example of a typical hazardous material area, a small refinery, where they would use 300 seal lights. We would only need 12 perpetual light pumps to replace that. And even if I charged you $30,000 per pump, my price is still equivalent. Now, we expect that our costs are going to be somewhere less than $2,000. So we're very excited about the type of margins and return on investments that are possible. But we also believe that it's really the maintenance and the energy savings that's going to drive the sale of this product over the top. When you look at our maintenance costs, according to this chart, their maintenance would be $27,000. Our maintenance is less than $4,000. Their operational cost, or the use of energy, is $24,000, and ours is less than $6,400. Combine the two, 5-to-1 difference, $50,000 versus $10,000. This is the type of product that we believe not only will take off even faster than our previous product did, but the type of returns are compelling. We invite you to take a more detailed look at our business plan, our management team, and our operation, and become an owner in the future of lighting.